Hi, in this video, I'm going to be talking about a new Appsumo deal called Tubics. It's an SEO tool for YouTube, and I'm going to also compare it to TubeBuddy, which is an alternative to possibly YouTube, Tubics. And if you plan to be doing videos or you are currently doing videos without utilizing these tools, you might be, you might want to stick around and watch this video. All right, I'm going to talk about it right now. Hi, my name is Paul Kim, and in this channel, I go over online and video marketing tips to help you build and scale your real estate business. If you're an investor or an agent, but you can apply some of these techniques to also your small business if you have, if you have a small business as well. All right. So today I want to talk to you about platform to use that can help you grow your YouTube channel or help you grow your brand on YouTube. And it's an Appsumo deal currently on Appsumo for, I believe, $39 per code. And it may be possible alternative to TubeBuddy. So I'm going to do a quick review. It's not a detailed review because I just got the code and I actually installed it just yesterday. When I say installed, I redeemed the code and I was playing around with it with my team since yesterday. And I wanted to just do a quick review to see whether it might be worthwhile for you to get the code or maybe a couple of codes. So let's go to my screen and we'll dive right into it. All right, so let's go to Tubics. So I'm on my YouTube, my Appsumo page, and go to Tubics. And so just this brief description of what it does, and just go down to the code. It's one time, one code is $39, and for the agency plan, which I got, because I do have an agency. So I got it 3 codes stacked to get 10 channels with unlimited videos and 250 keyword per channel, 4 users. They say it's coming soon. So I got it, and so what I did was I installed it, and I want to also go into it and just take a look at the pricing. I usually just want to check it out to see, and they priced it at $20 per month for 1 user, 2 channel, and then for the agency, $98 a month. So if this is a tool that I do plan to use, if I do plan to use it, totally worth it, I believe, in my opinion, if they're going to charge $98 per month for it. Whether it's, whether a tool is worthwhile or, price per month can be anything. It's all relative. It doesn't matter because, if you don't use something that you purchase, whether it's a tool or whether it's a program or, a seminar or anything, it's not, you wasted your money if you're not using it. So the whole purpose of me doing these videos, and also, when I buy any Appsumo deals, I want to make sure that I check it out within that refund period, because if it's something that I don't think that I'm going to use, I get a refund, and basically, I test it out, make sure it works. So that's the goal of these videos, to see whether I want to use it, and also to help the viewers and you guys in this case, to see whether it's something that you can use in your business as well. All right, so let's go dive into it right now. So I installed it, and I've already connected a couple of channels for my clients as well as for my channels as well. And I did it for Kim Madison, which is the channel that you're looking at right now if you're on YouTube. And so what I notice is that, right now it gives me a score. Scores their score based on, their score. I'm not sure what that means, but if you go click on audit, it shows you the score And they seem to be having some sort of bug on here, they mentioned. So they have this score here, 57 out of 100, and so it goes over some of the things that needs to be addressed. I haven't gone through it yet, and probably my manager, he's actually the one that added these channels. So, and also what he did was he actually, so all of the videos were not optimized. So right now, as you may or may not be aware, that K Madison is something, it's a, it's my digital marketing company, but I have not done anything. I have clients, but I don't have a website. I don't have, my YouTube channel is not optimized. And so it's at the very preliminary stages, but I do have clients that I am currently working with. So this first video that he actually went in and optimized it. So if you click on edit, it goes over some of the things that he needs to optimize. And so based on his review, it was very helpful to go through that, because what happened was, I believe, let's just click on edit. And this was a review on Fleek that I did. And based on his review, and I was actually ranking, I wasn't ranking for a video keyword for video marketing, but he changed some of the tags, I believe, to fleet review based on, let me just take a look, based on this focus keyword fleet review. And based on that, if you click on ranking, fleet review, I'm ranking number 5 based on that. So it was helpful for to narrow down the focus keyword for me to use, because as you can see from this dashboard, that if you click on here, this, I can see that YouTube suggestion, there's actually 130 as of May 29th. So so what YouTube does is that it gives, when you do a search, and then it gives you suggested searches after. I'm not sure whether, when you watch the video or afterwards. So I am picking up searches based on YouTube suggestion. And I gotta tell you, I do, like, one of the things I do have to work on is the thumbnail, and that's kind of one of my things that I need to work on. The alternative is TubeBuddy. All right, so I'm sorry I'm going back and forth. This is kind of like really a spontaneous video that I've decided to do, because, when Appsumo deal comes around, it comes around and then it disappears. So I wanted to create this video as soon as possible, among my, dealing with my business. And so TubeBuddy, for the pro account, which I have for K Madison, is $9 a month. And so Tubics is $25 a month. Now, one thing I would say is that TubeBuddy is a plugin, whereas Tubics is not a plugin. So it is a tool that you can utilize after you upload the video onto YouTube, and either make it unlisted or make it public. Now, the problem I see with that is that once what's critical is that once you publish a video on YouTube, the first day or the first couple of hours is very critical to, I guess, in terms of your searchability on YouTube. And so the fact that there's no plugin, and the fact that there is no way to get those tags or to optimize it before it goes onto YouTube and make it public, that I think is a possibility. That for me is an issue. And so I don't, I most likely will continue to use TubeBuddy to optimize as I'm putting the video up online, but also to be, then I'll use Tubics to further optimize if necessary, and use it in conjunction with TubeBuddy. I think I don't think it'll be a total replacement on to TubeBuddy. just because. Let me just show you. Let me go to my. I'm actually on my. Let me go to. Let me switch to my K Madison account, and go to my channel. And so one of the things is that TubeBuddy has analytics right here, which gives 7 subscribers right now. And so when you're actually uploading a video, let's say, let's upload a video and box, and I actually downloaded the video for free. Okay, and I'm going to, even though the video is already up on YouTube, I'm not gonna make it public, but I want to show you. So once I drag the video, so what TubeBuddy does, it has these tools that are already interfacing with YouTube, and so as you're in there, you can make the changes as you're going through the process of uploading. And so it has recommendations for tags, it has a checklist, and so this is very helpful, because TubeBuddy's been around and it is YouTube certified, and so it, for $9 a month, I think is totally worth it. I will put the link to my affiliate link for TubeBuddy. So if you do decide you want to implement it, I believe they do give you a 30-day free trial if you decide to use it. But I use it for my YouTube channel. Now the question becomes is Tubics worth it? I think for the potential for what it can do. Now, if you're an agency, I definitely would recommend it. As a individual, person, for starters, for the pro version, for you to get the pro version for $39 for the $39, I think is definitely definitely worth it for the potential that it has, and also the tools, the other tools that you have the potential to use. For example, you can track your ranking. I don't think on TubeBuddy you have to buy the higher version to be able to get that feature. So I definitely think that that's worth it. But I would definitely continue to use TubeBuddy and use Tubics in conjunction together. Okay, so that was my quick review of Tubics, and also comparing it to TubeBuddy, and giving you my opinion on using Tubics and TubeBuddy in conjunction. And if you have any other questions, put your comments below. And also, most importantly, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so that you get notified of any future videos that I do to help build your business, and also your YouTube as well, and doing some video and online marketing as well. All right. Thanks for watching, and I wanted to say I appreciate you taking your time to watch this video. See you next time. Bye. notifications so that you get notified of any future videos that I do to help build your business and also your YouTube as well, and doing some video and online marketing as well. All right. Thanks for watching, and I wanted to say I appreciate you taking your time to watch this video. See you next time. Bye.